Welcome back, everyone. We're here at Blizzard Beach on a 67-degree day. Call us insane, but it's warm for us Floridians right now. And we're gonna go have fun. First time on the channel here at Blizzard Beach. Courtney's first time here. First time for her brothers. I've been here multiple times as a kid, but let's go. It is a ghost town here because we're the crazy ones. Should be fun to get up everything done here. And there we go, we got the Melting Snowman ski resort in Florida. Snow does not work well, but we're going to find lockers to put our bag in. All right, so we're climbing the stairs to the family raft ride. Whew. Getting that calorie burn. You know, water parks are good for this, good way to get exercise. We keep going. So here we go. And the sun finally came out, so it's warmed up quite a bit already. But we're going to ride the family raft ride now. And then I'll probably do some plummet by myself at some point, depending on how my legs feel. But family raft ride time.
Woohoo! Oh, shoot! Yeah, you know what's funny? Oh, you recording right now? Woohoo!
I'm surprised they split us 2 and 2. Would you call that a drop?
No. It kind of just makes your stomach turn, you know?
I'm just glad I'm going backwards. I can't see anything. I'm gonna get soaked.
I'm getting soaked already.
No, at the end I'm gonna get soaked.
Is it gonna tip us upside down?
No. But not if I pull forward and lean that way.
Oh, man. What about all the trees now?
Oh, this is the worst part.
Oof.
We're at the end.
Woo! Oh, man. Oh. Ah. Ah.
Woohoo!
Ah.
Woo. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Wasn't that bad?
No. Exactly.
Nothing to be scared about.
Look, I was backwards the whole time.
So was I. Woohoo! Wow, this is actually way more aggressive than I thought it would be. Gotta keep my feet up. Woohoo! Here they come. Here goes Chance. Woo! Chase. And where's Courtney? Yeah, go do it again if you want to. Go do it again if you want to.
Here we go. Wow.
Woo! We decided to take the ski lift because we're smart. While the boys ran up the stairs because they don't want to take the ski lift, but nice little exercise for a minute as we stop. Woohoo! I'm not scared of this. So.
Facing you, I have no idea.
Facing you.
Oh, facing me? What up, party people? We gotta go on this ride. It's raining, it's pouring, and the old man is snoring. We gotta go. So, whoop-dee! Oh, my arm! Ah!
Just hold, Chance, hold on the one behind you.
Ah! Ah! You know, I said I was gonna scream for as long as I can. Ah! 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 Okay. Boogly, boogly, weezer, beezer!
This isn't even at the drop yet.
Wait, what?
Remember there was like that weird drop thing?
You gotta be flipper dippers! Ah! Ah!
At least you're getting the front. I can just get the back one.
Yeah, la 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 la.
Oh, here we go.
Ah! And just like people. Ah!
How do you feel after completing that?
Yeah, it was easy.
Easy?
Yeah.
That was super easy?
Yep.
Woo! You okay?
Yeah, I just didn't expect it to be that deep.
3 feet?
I didn't realize I was that short. I don't think I'm close to 10.
3 feet 9 inches.
That was fun, actually. And my shirt was
Don't go on lane 3, it's faster.
facing on lane 3 thing. How was I the fastest? I went down the entire time.
Here comes Chase on lane 1. Courtney's on lane 3.
Okay.
Just chillaxing in the wave pool now. I got it. Yeah. Here's chillaxing.
Hiya.
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 Hiya. Woo. The wind's starting to pick up, so it's starting to get a little bit cooler, but it's okay. But yeah. Woo. Just chilling until we go eat, and then we're gonna do the lazy river.
Hey, okay, we're here now. We're in the lazy river. There's Chad, and then there's Courtney. Oh my God, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Left, right, left, right. Run, run, and jump.
I don't understand the point of a lazy river.
There's Chad. Yeah, Chad. Let's go over to catch a board with Chad after that that huge fall.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right, Chad, tell us how did it go?
Yeah. Oh yeah. It hurts after a while. It even blew my back pocket out of my swim trunks.
We're going down the raft. It's, I believe it's almost over. Yep, here we are. Okay, we're done. Just like that. Woo!
Alright, so I have no idea the last time we talked, but we ate lunch at some point and got in the lazy river. I did Summit Plummet, we just did the Red Slope tube ride, and I'm not sure what else we've done, but all the footage is in there before now. So we're going back around and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do next. It's starting to get chilly, so we might be leaving soon. Well guys, we had a blast at Blizzard Beach yesterday. I had issues with the footage after that last clip you guys saw there. We got in the lazy river again, did the toboggan rides again, did the family raft ride again. So I don't know what happened. I think my GoPro might be dying. It is a GoPro here 10. It's been through the paces. But you see, I tried the 360 cam on that one clip there. We had an issue with that. We had a lot more 360 stuff, but it all turned into time lapse. So we're learning there. First time I'm really getting to use it since they finally released a plugin for Adobe Premiere to be able to edit it. So we'll keep trying to use that, different things at the right time. Not every video is going to call for that, but it's okay. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn those notifications on, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.